Today I will show you on how to create a 3D object using image reference in Maya. So the object that we chose is the stealth bomber, and so let's begin. So the first thing to do is to change the perspective into front view, and then on surfaces we need to select and insert a plane. There you go. After that, you can now proceed in rendering and choose the lumber material, and then below in common material attributes, you're gonna replace checker into file, then select the image front view of the object. So you need to press 6 in order to show it. So there you go. After that, you also need to insert the side view of the object. So just the same, insert the plane, then rendering, Lambert material, then insert the file, the side view of the object. So most of the objects that are simple only used the front view and the side view, but for the object that we're going to make, it requires the top view, because we need to get the exact size, and in order for us to trace the exact shape of the stealth bomber. So just the same, insert a plane, then rendering, number material, then select the top view image. So I change and rotate the y-axis into 180 for it to be exact. So changing our perspective, we now have this one. So as you can see, the alignments are not quite well, so you need to adjust it very well, each of the picture. Then to make it easy, we will not insert the wheels anymore. We only need the shape of the plane. So there you go. And if you are already satisfied with it, with the alignment that you made, then you can now proceed in inserting a polycube. Then but we need to change the perspective into front first. I mean top rather. Then insert a polycube. So then change our perspective into side view in order to drag the exact size or height of the object. So we are now have the polycube. Oh, before that, we need to select the three images, which are the top, side, and the front, and create layer from selected. In order for that, we used and to specify in order to easily select the other objects or parts of the objects rather. So now we actually change it to X-ray for it to see transparent, and after that we're gonna proceed in inserting an edge loop tool. So we need to change our perspective into top view, select the polycube, and change it into X-ray. So you can now see the image of the stealth bomber, and now we can proceed in inserting edge loop tool. Vertex, then it actually depends on you on how many lines you want to put, as long as it will trace the exact shape of the object. So after that, if you're already satisfied with the lines that you will use, then you can now change into vertex mode and then trace the top shape of the stealth bomber. So after shaping, and if you're satisfied, if it's okay, it's not as clean as it is because you can just trace it later. So for now, you, you, you can have this country, and after that you can now change your perspective. Then as you can see, we are able to trace the shape of the style bomber, and then after that we can actually um, sharpen all those edges later. And guys, we actually have this final result. We actually sharpened the edges and other parts of the object. In order for you to see the whole object, you need to off this letter V here. So there you go. You can now see the final result of the 3D object, and it's very clean and sleek. So there you go guys, that is the final result, and thank you for watching.